Welcome to the practice of Yoga Nidra. Begin by ensuring you're physically comfortable. Sense the weight of your legs. Sense the weight of your arms. Sense the back of the body resting on the earth. Feel the contact between the back of the body and the ground underneath you. And notice the sensation of the breath in the body. Bring your attention into the center of your chest, just behind your breastbone. And imagine that inside that space, inside the center of the chest, was a bright blue sky. Infinite bright blue sky expanding out in all directions. And in the center of the bright blue sky, a warm golden sunshine. Feel the warmth of that golden sunshine in the center of the chest. And take that warm feeling and move it out into the right side of the body, into the right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. The palm of the hand and the back of the hand, the wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, armpit, shoulder. Feel the right side of the body, the right side chest, waist, hip, thigh, knee, shin, calf, ankle, heel, the sole of the right foot, the top of the right foot, the right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. And now be aware of the whole of the right side of the body all together, all the way through. Bring the awareness back to the center of the chest. Visualize that infinite bright blue sky and the warm golden sunshine. And take that warm feeling from the center of the chest into the left side of the body, into the left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. The palm of the hand and the back of the hand, left wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, armpit, and shoulder. Feel the left side of the body, left side chest and waist, left hip, thigh, knee, shin, calf, ankle, heel, the sole of the foot, the top of the foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. And now feel the whole of the left side of the body all together, all the way through. Now bring your attention to the back surface of the body. Feel the back of the body resting on the ground underneath you. Bring your awareness into the soles of the feet and the backs of the legs, the buttocks, the lower back, the middle of the back, the upper back. Feel all of the back. The right shoulder blade, the left shoulder blade, the space in between the shoulder blades, the back of the neck, the back of the head, and feel every hair follicle on the top of your head. Move your awareness to the forehead, the eyebrows, eyelids, eyeballs, cheekbones, teeth, tongue, jaw and throat. Become aware of your right ear and your left ear. And now both ears together and the space in between the ears. And move your attention down into the space in between the collarbones and the space behind the breastbone, the upper part of the abdomen, your belly button, the lower part of your abdomen. Feel your right leg and your left leg. Feel your right arm and now your left arm. Become aware of both legs together. Become aware of both arms together. Feel both legs and both arms all together. Feel both legs, both arms, and the whole of the head all together. And now feel your whole body, all of the parts of the body all together, all the way through. Feel the whole body resting. And pay attention to this sensation of being at rest, but being awake. And understand that this is a practice of Yoga Nidra, in which you are at rest, but also awake. Now pay attention again to the contact between the back of the body and the earth. Feel the support of the ground underneath you, as though you were lying in soft, warm sand. Imagine now you really were lying in soft, warm sand on a beautiful, empty beach. There's only you here. But it's completely safe and completely lovely. The sand underneath you is warm and soft, but there's a gentle breeze, and you feel the warmth of the sun in the bright blue sky shining down all over your body. Your whole body feels warm and relaxed. Now imagine you were standing up and beginning to walk down the beach towards the sea. As you walk closer to the sea, you feel the sand underneath your feet change from soft and warm to slightly firmer and cooler, until you get right up close to where the water is rolling up the beach, and you feel a little bit of that cool sea water against your toes. Feel now the cold feeling of the sea water on your toes and on the soles of your feet. As you take a few steps closer in, letting the water come over your feet and lap at your ankles, you notice the sun is still shining down on your back and shoulders. Pay attention now to the feeling of warmth. Pay attention to the feeling of warmth on your shoulders and your upper back. And then notice again the cold sensation of the seawater on your feet and on your ankles. And if you want, you can take a few steps further into the sea and go deeper in. It's completely up to you. Pay attention to the cool sensation of the water, and at the same time the warm sensation of the sun shining down on your back. If you wanted to, you could even jump all the way in and go for a swim. It's completely up to you. And now it's time to come out of the water and you start to walk back up the beach. The sand under your feet changes from cool and firm to soft and warm, and you come back to the place you were resting earlier and lie back down. As you lie back down, you feel the support you have from the soft, warm sand all around your body. Pay attention now to that warm feeling of the soft sand gently holding the whole of your body. And as you lie on the beach, you begin to notice the rhythm of breath in your body. Notice the rhythm of breath rolling in and out of the body, just in the same way that the waves roll up and down the beach. Receive the breath as though you were the beach, receiving the waves. Notice the feeling of the breath, and notice the sound of the breath. It's almost like a soft, sea, soothing sound. And if you listen very carefully, you might hear the breath whispering to you. It's as if the breath were whispering calm on the inhale and peace on the exhale. So as the breath rolls in, it whispers calm. And as it flows out again, it's whispering peace. If you listen carefully, can you hear those words on the breath? The inhalation bringing calm, and the exhalation whispers peace. Now bring your attention back to the feeling of your body resting on the ground underneath you. And feel whatever it is that you're lying on. Understand that this is a practice of Yoga Nidra, and the practice of Yoga Nidra will soon be drawing to a close. Bring your attention back into the space in the center of the chest, that big bright blue space, like a bright blue sky. And remember, in the middle of the bright blue sky is a warm golden sun. Feel the warmth of the sun in the center of the chest. And resting your awareness here, know that all is well. All is well. And if you like, you can say those words to yourself 3 times with 3 deep breaths. All is well. Now begin to listen very carefully to everything you can hear all around you. Listen to the sounds close by, but listen also to the sounds further away. Listen out for the furthest sound. What's the furthest away thing that you can hear? And now listen out again for the sound of your own breathing, and any other sounds that might be coming from inside your body. Sometimes the tummy makes noises, or you can even hear your own heart beating. And pay attention now to everything you can feel. Feel the back of your body resting Feel the texture of clothes against your skin. Feel the touch of the breath in your nose or in your mouth. And notice what you can smell. Lick your lips or run your tongue along your teeth. And pay attention to the tastes inside your mouth. Look into the space behind your closed eyes and see whatever it is you can see there. It might just be dark, or maybe you can see colours or patterns. And visualise what you expect to see when you open your eyes. So picture clearly where you are and what it looks like. Who's around you and what you're going to be doing next. Understand that this practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. This practice of Yoga Nidra has now ended. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete.